As a lash artist, it is intelligent to have all lashing skills under your belt. Having the additional skill of creating your own handmade volume fans is not only more economical than pre-mades, but it also allows you to have more flexibility and creativity in your styling. Finding the right tweezers for your volume lashes and picking them up correctly. This tweezer is our boot style tweezer. So when looking for your sweet spot, you first want to look down the center of the tweezer. This one's one of my personal faves to create fans with, because when you find your sweet spot, you identify the color on your tweezer where your sweet spot is, and you always remember it might be red, it might be yellow, it might be green, it might be blue, it might be purple. If the lashes move doing the wiggle test, you've not quite found the sweet spot. You want to adjust slightly until you have your sweet spot. Every single tweezer will have a different sweet spot. So now we're going to test to see if we can find the sweet spot within our tweezer. So we're grabbing a cluster of lashes, wiggle test. So we're not quite there with this one. The lashes are not moving with the wiggle test. So they're barely moving. So when I pick up, the whole cluster will stay together, ready for me to fan. These tweezers we think will be awesome as they close nicely all the way through the foot. Doing the wiggle test, closing when you can feel less movement, and then gently doing your pickup. The tweezers should have a nice firm hold around the lashes and are ready for dipping in the glue.